Let's start. Good morning to all. Today I would like to tell you a very important issue is the adolescent health problems. You know, incidence of adolescent health issue like pelvic infection, like polycystic ovarian disease and endometriosis is very important nowadays. If we don't diagnose and treat early, it may lead to the problem to your daughter after marriage. Now, how can you prevent a pelvic infection? Now, you tell your daughter to use the tissue paper after passing defecation, and also, or else can use the hand shower. No premarital sex is allowed. Now, how can you prevent the polycystic ovarian disease? You know, this is the ovary. In the both side, this ovary is a cystic. When the polycystic ovary is there, it leads to menstrual irregularity, all these problems. Now, how can you prevent this? Now, if you are diagnosed to have the polycystic ovarian disease of your daughter, first step you take the reduce the weight at least 7 to 10%. Number one, no fast food she will be allowed to take, and thirdly, half an hour walking at least for 5 days. If any problems, go to the doctor and treat as early as possible. As regards the endometriosis, you have to know what is endometriosis. It is a menstrual collection of the blood either in the uterine cavity or in the both ovary or in the pelvis. Now this is a pelvis. Now how can you prevent this? Now you know that we cannot prevent the endometriosis, but if the endometriosis exists and if diagnosed is wrong or treated wrong, she may develop many problems. Therefore, we can only prevent if the endometriosis occurs due to the atresia of the cervix or vagina where menstrual blood is not coming. That is, uterus is functioning, but there is obstruction. Now, if you release this obstruction by your surgeon, it will be okay. Now, if your daughter have a diagnosis of retroverted uterus, the menstrual blood will go through the tube to the cavity, and that leads to the problems because blood is collecting here and led this to problem. Your doctors can correct the retroverted uterus to anteverted uterus. Now, the another issue is there if there is a endometriosis. That means if there is menstruation occurs in the two ovary or in the pelvis, there is a problem. So we have to diagnose very early at before 18 years and so that she should not suffer. Here you can use the drugs. This is progesterone is required. If any other things may happen, can be done as early as possible because this patient require very important surveillance. And also I advise them to marry as early as possible, that is after 20 years, and take the issue. Otherwise you will problem. These three problems in nowadays very important. Another issue is coming is a premarital sex. I telling each and every my daughter and sister, everybody, don't do anything in the premarital sex before your marriage. It will develop the problem for you and for your family and all. So if we follow this prevention of these three important issues, is a pelvic infection, second is a polycystic ovarian disease, and third is endometriosis, you will enjoy your life. So thank you very much. I hope you can learn any inquiry, you can tell me through your Facebook. Thank you very much.